ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
Joining us today is Mr.Sajeed Abdul Latheif, the General Manager of Precision Group, a prominent name in the packaging and engineering manufacturing industry. With years of leadership experience, Mr. Sajeed has played a key role in steering the group toward innovation, efficiency, and sustainable growth. To know more details, stay tuned.
It has been the vision of UAE's rulers, the founding fathers, that this country has to be the leading beacon in this region. And our founders are also aligned in the same direction, that taking this company forward, bringing in the best of the best technology.
نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى ثراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب، زايد أسسها واليقين وراها.
Dear audience, welcome to Pearls of Union. In this program, we shed light on inspiring figures who have turned the challenges into opportunities and dreams into achievements. Our inspiring guests are the shining pearls whose journeys reflect determination, vision, and success. Today, we meet another remarkable personality whose story will inspire us all. So please join me in welcoming Mr. Sajeed Abdul Latheif, the General Manager of Precision Group. Welcome, Mr. and thank you for joining us today.
Welcome, thank you very much. Thanks for the visit.
Thank you, it is our pleasure. Well, sir, you are a visionary leader in the field of packaging and engineering manufacturing. So please, in the beginning, can you introduce yourself to the audience and tell us about the key milestones in your professional journey? So what exceptional experiences have you gained along the way?
Well, my name is Sajeed Abdul Latheif. I've been in this industry for more than 32 years. And this has been an incredible journey. So I started myself actually in an engineering sector, in an engineering division, making watches. And from watchmaking, actually, I started moving into plastic. And with the plastic manufacturing, so we started moving into this journey of packaging. And the journey has been incredible, actually, till date. Actually. So we have been working in this field sector actually for too long. And that experience has brought me here actually today. And 32 years actually I'm heading as a general manager of Precision Group.
Perfect. And what challenges did you face at the beginning of your career, and also who have supported you to overcome those challenges?
Well, like any profession, it has been always challenging to start with. So when you are just entering into an industry, you are just starting with facing incredible challenges in terms of learning opportunity, in terms of new technologies being introduced, and you are actually faced to actually even mentor or even to lead people with immense decades of experience, so it's not something actually which you just come in here, and the challenges of actually giving them the training, taking them forward in this direction, it's something actually was a real journey. The challenges was also actually about the industry, the technology innovations, and the learning curve actually what you have during this period. I was fortunate enough actually to have been mentored by industry leaders, by veteran leaders. Just to start with, actually my first boss was the first candidate, or rather the first student from the institute where I passed out in this mold making technology. Well, he was a big mentor for me actually, who not just gave me the technical knowledge, he also gave me the courage to take up any challenges head on. So it's the courage actually what leads you and what brings you to this place.
Perfect. So you have many mentors that have supported you along the way and guided you.
Absolutely. So, the mentors actually, it's not just your bosses or the mentors actually whom you can call it. The mentors can be even right from people who are working in the shop floor. So you just do not learn actually from somebody superior to you. You learn even from the man who is working on the shop floor. He guides you actually. So it is like an experience which you gain, which you interact with people, you exchange ideas, and that makes you a better person. You increases your knowledge. It's all your education helps you in translating the learnings and the experiences of people who are working along with you into reality, the experience and the knowledge. And when these two are combined, that's what makes you successful.
So as the general manager, what are the core responsibilities you focus on, and how do you ensure their effective execution?
Well, as a general manager, my prime responsibility is to set the strategy, to set the goals, having a vision, communicate it to the team, and excel in the operational excellence part of it. So it is like guiding them to drive it into the operational excellence. And finally, the most important part is people. Without people, there's no industry and there's no vision which turns into reality. So people are the main reason why we are here and what leads you. You can have a fantastic vision, but if you do not have people actually who can lead it to reality, you won't be successful. And that is the main thing actually. So what had led to us to all this success is because I focus on mentoring, guiding people, and then once you share the vision with them, involve them, empower them, you are automatically driving a vision into reality.
Yeah, so the team here is sharing the same vision of the company.
True.
And you are leading successfully this business actually.
Absolutely.
So how do you motivate and encourage your team? How do you guide them to achieve organizational goals?
Well, the organizational goals and the vision is set. We show them the path, we mentor them, we guide them the way, we coach them on the way. But more than anything else, we empower them. We give them all the facilities, actually what is necessary. We give them the freedom. We give them the freedom to make mistakes, to learn from that and to execute it. And that's what gives them a sense of purpose. Once you guide them with a sense of purpose, that takes you places they own the vision. Once they co-own it, and once they are clear that they need to lead the company in this direction, you are no more actually pushing them. You do not really need to push them when they understand that why they are doing something. And that why is the most important part,
Yeah, and how do you maintain work-life balance with the pressures of leadership?
The work-life balance is an interesting word, So work-life balance, I do take care of actually the work-life balance in a way that when I am in work, I put my 100% into work. When I'm in my home, I dedicate myself to the family. So it's not just, it's not a balancing act what you do. It's about committing yourself 100% to the cause what you are doing at that moment. And you cannot actually balance out by measuring time. Actually, it's not about 2 hours there, 2 hours here. It's about actually when you are there, be there fully. And you involve it into 100% with your wholehearted contribution. And that drives you actually. So the work-life balance is something more, it's a natural part of it as long as you are involved in 100%.
Well, now let's talk more about Precision Group. You know that every successful venture starts with a clear vision. So how was the beginning of this group? How was the group established? And also what was its vision at that time in the field of packaging and engineering manufacturing?
Precision Group was started almost 43 years back. It started, the founders had a vision of bringing in the technology into this country where manufacturing was virtually non-existent. So we had been the pioneer in introducing not just any technology. We started as an extrusion die manufacturer when construction industry was booming, and it was just starting in the beginning of the country's journey actually towards what we see today. So at that point of time, every manufactured article was dependent on imports. The founders had the vision to bring in those import substitutes right from Europe, the European quality, technologically advanced products, right here locally. And that vision has turned into reality. And right from the beginning, the owners are very clear about how this is supposed to be taking forward. Actually, the company had been focused only on high technology, high quality products. This no compromise attitude has led us to what we are today, and we are still surviving after 43 years as a reference point in this region. So the industry refers to us that any product, any brand, like for example, you go into any dairies, any new product is being introduced, they come to Precision first. It starts here, all the journey, so all the brands, we are proud to be contributing into the development of many other industries, because the tooling is the mother industry, and then converting the packaging is how you sell a product. Yeah. And we are proud that we are able to contribute into that. The vision had been very clear that never compromise, and till today we are on the same philosophy. No compromise on quality, no compromise on technology. Be the reference point. Bring in the best of the best technology what is available in the world. Offer it to the local market with local servicing. And focus on the people who can drive success using this technology. So we have best of the professionals hired from the world. We bring them over, we train them, we keep up with them, we compete with the best in the world. Our engineering industry, our engineering division just started as a die making shop, progressed itself into a mold making shop. So we are proud to have introduced the first plastic bottle in the market for the dairy industry. And moving on from there, now today we are a reference point. We are the first one who has an engineering shop which can manufacture aerospace grade manufacturing parts. So we do supply actually into that industry as well. We are the first private company which are certified with AS 9100, which is a certification essential in order to serve the aerospace industry.
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
So wherever we are, whichever industry we are participating, we have kept ourselves to be on the top. We had been the reference point, and we continue to strive to be in the same place.
So you have a trusted name in the industry, and the company has evolved since its inception. But growth comes with the challenges. So what major obstacles did the company face, and how did you overcome them to maintain quality, innovation, and trust in such a competitive industry?
Any industry, as you grow, as it becomes lucrative, as it becomes interesting, it attracts other players. We are also no exception. As we started growing, it attracted global multinationals here, global players, and then there are low-cost players which is trying to make a mark within the industry. So competition is something which comes naturally to you when you are the best. However, we have chosen to be in that industry with a vision, with a clear mission that we are not going to compromise anything on the quality, on the deliverables. We continued to reinvent ourselves. Like for example, the COVID, it gave us an opportunity to reinvent ourselves in higher efficiency, in higher automation. So we kept on inventing ourselves, repositioning ourselves in a way that we are still leading the entire industry. So it was never easy. We continued to have challenges coming from multinationals with years of experience. However, when it came to the industry, since our attitude had been stay as the best in the industry, stay as the reference point, we were able to challenge all the competition. and we still remain as one of the top leaders in UAE.
Well, innovation drives progress. So how does Precision Group leverage modern technologies to enhance efficiency?
Our investments, we had not been happy actually staying with the investment what we have been doing. This is a capital intensive industry. Technology evolves really fast in this industry. Technologically, the equipment, the manufacturing technology, it keeps evolving and gets reinventing. We kept ourselves updated with the latest. If you want to name it actually, so we have our engineering shop, if you see, we can proudly say this is one of the best in this region, in this entire GCC. We can compete with any European manufacturers who are top in the industry. This doesn't come cheap. We have been investing into heavy, high technology equipment continually as the technology evolved. So we also kept on updating ourselves, updating our team, training and developing, bringing in the latest technology, keeping ourselves updated about what's happening around the world. We participate in trade shows. We see actually what's happening around the world. We bring all of them here. Our owners had been extremely supportive our shareholders and been really supportive in bringing in this technology. There had been zero resistance in bringing any kind of innovation or any kind of technology here. And they had been the real visionaries actually behind the whole change. So we kept inventing ourselves, kept updating. We can say that this is really actually the latest technology what we have in the industry, both in the engineering as well as in the packaging.
Yeah, so you are keeping pace with technological advancements, with the latest.
With the latest, yes, even including to the AI and the latest buzzword actually what is there in the industry, Industry 4, whether it is automation. So once upon a time we used to produce all the milk bottles using around 50 people per shift. Today we run that shop with completely automated with just 5 people per shift. So we have kept ourselves updated with the technology. We have brought in the best of the best in technology and never compromised it. So it has not been on like trying to be in the industry and try to make a quick buck. We are here for the long run, and our focus had been really focused on the high technology and highly productive automated manufacturing.
Sustainability also is essential. It is a global demand. So how do you promote eco-friendly practices and contribute to reducing environmental impact?
Sustainability is the core of our manufacturing philosophy. We see sustainability is a very highly misinterpreted word, and plastic has been demonized in this journey. However, if you really ask me, plastic is the only material with the lowest carbon footprint in the world. Plastic has been blamed for pollution. No, plastic is not polluting. It is people who are polluting. Plastic has got the lowest carbon footprint and it is endlessly recyclable. So we drive the market by focusing on sustainability. We bring down bottles which are lighter, use less plastic, save on energy, on conversion, on transportation. We use solar energy on all our factories. And not just this, we are also actually proud to have associated with many of the brands in the market which has introduced products and its packaging in recycled polymers. So we have actually fruit juices actually coming in polymers from well-known international brands where the packaging has been developed by us. We supply egg trays into the market, which is already actually included with recycled PET. So recycled material is something actually which we are driving, and that is what is going to be the future.
So you are committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility.
We are committed, and as an industry leader here in the plastic industry, we are committed in adopting the best of the best technology and offering into the market sustainable solutions.
Well, sir, looking ahead, where do you see Precision Group in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, we had been the number one in UAE. However, now our endeavor is to spread ourselves into the region. So after COVID, when our business focus for one of our key customers shifted to Saudi Arabia, we chose to be closer to them. We opened our facility in Dammam, and we are growing there now rapidly. For the last 3 years, actually, we have been manufacturing there in Saudi Arabia. The whole focus is we have to be a reference point, not just in UAE, but in the GCC itself. And we are growing rapidly in this direction, adopting technology, the same philosophy with no compromise attitude, no quality issues, or no compromise on quality, no compromise on technology. The same attitude with the same philosophy, we are leading ourselves. So down the line, we see that we would like to be as a reference point, not just in UAE, but in GCC and later on across the globe.
So from the UAE to the international market.
Absolutely.
Best of luck, sir.
Thank you very much.
Well, sir, based on your experiences, what words of encouragement or guidance you would like to convey through our episode to young professionals, even to young entrepreneurs aspiring to build a career in the field of packaging and engineering manufacturing? What skills and mindset do you believe are essential for growth and success in this industry?
For all the youngsters, my message to them is be focused, be detail oriented, learn the technology, don't just be superficial. Try to learn the technology, try to work your way up. Do not look at easy shortcuts. Develop yourself, develop the company, be committed, and we have a future. This country has a brilliant future. Our leadership, the rulers, are driving the country in the right direction, and manufacturing is evolving. That's the future. Manufacturing is going to be the future, and we as Precision are offering bringing in the best of the best technology to the country. And my advice to you is use it as an opportunity to learn. Don't just look at it as opportunity and superficially. Try to be the masters in this technology. Be committed, dedicated, and then, well, the future is yours.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Well, as we come to the end of our episode, I would like to invite you to share a message of appreciation and gratitude to the UAE and its rulers.
It has been the vision of UAE's rulers, the founding fathers, that this country has to be the leading beacon in this region. And our founders are also aligned in the same direction, that taking this company forward, bringing in the best of the best technology, be the best, be the top. And that's what it is. And we are really, our appreciation is towards the rulers who has created the facility and has facilitated us actually to have this level of technology being introduced in this world. And we are really thankful for that.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sajeed, for being a part of our program and sharing your success story. It was my pleasure talking with you today. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. And thank you for taking your time to understand us.
We would like to sincerely thank our distinguished guest for this valuable discussion. We hope this episode has provided you with new insights and inspiration. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes for more enlightening conversations, and goodbye.